The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning. Welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Morning, PJ. We're ready to rock and roll. Just missed the entry there, as a matter of fact. I didn't miss it. I mean, by missing it, I mean it was early. Leonardo, good morning. Yep, there was a trigger. Technically, right here was the trigger. See, we easily went 2. So anyway, let's look at the markets overnight. We've been falling here on the ES. I'm falling for you. We hit a low of 40.07. Our high 40.44. So 37 points in range. Copper been falling as well. About 160 ticks of range. Gold falling as well. Everything's kind of been bottoming out today. About 28 points in range. Ultra bond, mid-range, bucking the trend. About a point in range. Have you actually hit say? I mean, hold on 1 second. Well, maybe we go finish going through this and natural gas continuing to drop about 100 ticks in range, and crude oil, last but not least, dropped down to 77, about 160 ticks in range. Morning, Burl. Bitcoin up to try to get back up to 23. So let me take a gander here. Let me find my software. PJ, is this where you're going? Here, workspaces, drop down. I just have mine as untitled. You can title it and hit save as, remove, and it should save your charts and everything you have up. Have I seen wheat? That's a good question. Probably have sometime in my life. No. Let's look at wheat. Because Burl's apparently looking at wheat. Ah, okay. So it's working okay now? Wheat is dropping like a gluten-filled rock. No. Big fall yesterday. Is that yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. Agriculture, I always thought would be fun to start trading, but I just never got around to it. So I did trade last night. We traded on stream. It's 2 for 2. Up $79 after commission. And we see our rising up here. News this morning. Let's check it. Let's check it. At 8:30, we have Canadian GDP month over month. We get to see how many moose pelts the country has made. U.S. Red Book year over year. That doesn't matter. U.S. at 9 o'clock. U.S. Case Shiller 20 year over year. U.S. House Price Index. At 9:45, U.S. Chicago PMI. And at 10 o'clock, U.S. CV Consumer Confidence. So we're kind of dotted and littered with news this morning. After the bell, you have Snap and AMD earnings. Good morning, John. If I started a video series on what these various news reports are, like a quick explanation and maybe how they supposedly affect the market, would that be something anyone was interested in? What did I do? Did I accidentally start the... Oops. No. Oh, for some reason my software didn't catch up to the actual video. There we go. Now we're about good. Oh, good morning, Omar. I was still staring at the intro. I'm not sure what was up with that. Yeah, I'm not sure what just happened there. Are we okay now? Was it still in the intro that whole time? I don't think so. Anyway. But anyway. For some reason it jumped to showing the intro to me. I'm not sure. Maybe I hit something. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway. So around 40.23. You can see it's been so far a trending down day. We'll see if we've reversed the trend here. You can see we've been coming up since we hit that low of 4007. Let's come back up by 17 points. Also remember, people, that like button, it likes to be smacked. So please smack it. So we watch anything fun going on. We have Ultra Bond opening about 40 minutes. What's crude oil doing? Crude. Topsy-turvy. Topsy-turvy. So I figured out that in the last 3 days, Thursday, Friday, Monday, including last night, I'm 11 out of my last 13 in wins, making about $805 on that. Are here on the Blue Sky eval. Had some interesting discussions with the Blue Sky rep yesterday on the Discord. They, there's no live sim once you get funded. It goes right to live, but they do not charge any data fees, not even for ice. Ice, baby. It is there's no data fees at all. So all those other companies that charge you $105, or I'm not even sure. I think ice is like 180. That doesn't happen on Blue Sky. So a little dip here. Kind of a weird dip, but it was a dip nonetheless. Dip, 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 dip. Ooh. Kind of watching the price action. Of course, it gets a little boring. I swear the market waits till I'm, streaming to just like slow down, and then last night, it's turn back time. You know what time that means? Turn back time. Anyway, so I was on stream, and kind of just hemming and hawing here, they're not doing much here, blah blah blah. Pulled back a little bit, and I got off stream here because I thought the downward move had ended. We were sideways, and I saw this move up, so I ended the stream. Literally, 5 minutes after I ended the stream, we had this move down. Blue Sky is based in Florida. I want to say Clearwater, Florida, but I would have to look. St. Petersburg, Florida. I believe that's close. So we're hanging on this EMA. Just hold on one second. So sitting here now, volume's going down. Good morning, Crypticon. Yep, it's about not much warmer downstate. I think I am at 4 degrees last I looked. Oh, I'm sorry, 7. But the wind chill makes it feel like -4. -5. But by Monday they won at 50. Cater, Crypticon, I mean, you can. I mean, I do have a spare bedroom upstairs, but I don't think I have room for your kids. Rising up. See how it skirted this line. This could have been right here. This could have been a trigger. I didn't really totally like it, but it would have worked, obviously, as it burst up there. Well, maybe not. Looks bigger than it actually is. That's what she said. That now it would have worked. Good morning, Jessica. How are things going for you? So back up to 40.26. Quite the rebound from down here. Yep. Elevator's been going up. Shame the ride started when I was still very happily sleeping. Look at this going up. I don't go to sleep and I don't fall asleep until like 1 a.m. So my body really would tell me to, well, not nice things. Quick minute while nothing's going on that I'm gonna take here, and I'm gonna take my supplements real quick. Okay, supplements are taken. Ready to rock and rumble. Hey, Chocolate, how's it going? Haven't seen you in a while. I've been doing all right. Hey, Dakota. Good morning. Yes, that profit's actually from last night. I just traded Asia and did 2 small wins. Now, if I'm doing I do have one funded account, but it's in deep trouble. So this is an evaluation from Blue Sky Trading. I have this Blue Sky, and I have an Apex eval. I have that earn a trade funded, but it's like $200 away from its drawdown. So I gotta like figure out how to get it to fight back. X. Borneo, I have not traded with Bolonox, but I know others that have. There's no big complaints about Bolonox. You know, oh, excellent, Chaco. The TCP or the one of the Gauntlet Minis? Did you have any specific questions about Bolonox Borneo? Say that 5 times fast. Good morning, JC. How's it going? Yep, I'm doing all right. Kind of sitting sideways here, 40.26. Thank you, Hassan, for giving us your thoughts. There you go, Borneo. Eventually, gentlemen and ladies, I am gonna start working on more stuff for my channel, including reviews of all the different props. I'll probably try and do a review this weekend of Blue Sky. The only thing about Bolonox is if you go for a large account, the setup fee after you get funded is absolutely out of this world. Um, yeah, that's the only thing. Let me just find Bolonox here. I think like the let me look here. Like the 150K account is like $900. Yeah. I'm just checking on that. Let me just it's here somewhere. Master account. Yeah. Here it is. The 100K account is $248 to set up. The 150K account is $498, and the 250K account is $898 to set up. And that right there is the major problem with Volanox. The 50K account, 148. That's basically what Apex is. So yeah, and I think most people do a 50K account anyway, but still. There's no reason to spend that much. There's no reason to need to be charging that much to set up accounts when it's just a rhythmic sim account. Good morning, Avi. Do you have proof that I'm human? I mean, Blue Sky definitely has my interest with the fact that you're on an actual live account, no data fees. Because if you're really good, Apex is eventually going to put you on an actual live account, and then you're going to have to pay the data fees each month, which is $105 per exchange. There's no data fees on Blue Sky at all. There's a one-time setup fee of $85 no matter what size account, and that's it. And you have access to other exchanges if that's something you're interested in. I know there are a few people that are interested in things like coffee and orange juice and uh, rice and the other softs, cocoa. And so having access to the ICE exchange is totally unique to them in the prop space, as well as the Eurex, which allows access to the DAX, I think, and all that. Is that where I enter in stupid characters or hit a box? Avi. Yeah, so Eurex is available right now in Blue Sky on funded accounts, and they're working on bringing it to evaluations as well. Now, can anybody tell me if I'm pronouncing Eurex right? Oh, and that's another thing. Speaking of Dom, Blue Sky Level 2 data is also free. Oh. And Avi, if I was a smart enough AI, I would decline that option so you didn't realize I was AI. Little dip here again. Dip, 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 dip. As we're at the top of the hour. Their funding partner is Phillips Capital, which is a pretty big company from what I understand. Yep, a dip and coming back up. Strong move up. Very strong. Oh wow, that really sucks. So theoretically a trigger candle there, but I do not like how big it was. Again, that's what she said. Right? We'll see. I want it high of this move 40, 27, 25. See how this boom boom here. Let's see. No, not even Bollinger's. Uh, that's a great question. I don't see. Ooh, I guess I should have taken it. Darn it. Don't trust. I mean, don't question the triggers. Uh, I will find out, John. I don't think they have it on their website, but I'm going to assume the normal ones that America has embargoes with, but I will find out. Josh, the guy I talked to from Blue Sky, uh, said he might be stopping in the stream this morning, so I don't think they have the countries on their website. That's something they might have had an oversight with. Really? Hmm. That's kind of ironic that Phillips don't allow the Philippines. I will find out. We will find out, and we will find. I will get you that news, that information. I mean, not news, information, as soon as I can. Yes, yes, it did. I'll find out whether that matters. I know they are also trying to get on with NinjaTrader brokerage, and they're working on bringing Tradovate. That there's the main drawback right now of Blue Sky is that once you're funded, you cannot use NinjaTrader, but they're working on fixing that. All right, get those kiddies off to school, bundle them up. Morning, Robin. How's Robin doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Just waiting on our next move. Copper, kind of hanging out on its EMA. Natural gas rising up. Hanging here, 40.27. Where are we gonna go from here? That is the question. A minefield of small news reports today. $40.20. Okay, we'll see how that works. See, we've on this move up here, we've dipped a few times. Move started back here about 6:30 Eastern. But I was still sleeping warmly. Moved up, dipped, kind of rode the line. I walked the line. Dipped, dipped, dipped. Last day of January. Time sure flies when you're having fun. Kind of paused here at this level. Everything slows down, slow. See here on our hourly chart though how this has bounced. Big move down there, moved down 17 points when Europe opened, dipped all the way down to 4007. It's now recovered by 21 points. Ultra bond market, treasuries market opens in 9 minutes. Pulling back. I thank you for saying that, Robin. I appreciate that as well. I do my best to be informative as well as entertaining. Meanwhile, that's why. There we go. Morning, IMAD. How's IMAD today? So at 8:30 Eastern Time, we have Canadian GDP and U.S. employment costs. Those reports coming up. Hassan, the earn and trade funded account is in trouble. I no idea how to dig it out. It's like $200 away from drawdown, and so I gotta try and like figure that out. Yep. Blue Sky. They've been in business for about 5 months. Started by a former prop traders themselves. Wall Street Cowboy, Cowboy Mike, was the first guy that decided to start it. He used to be on the Earn to Trade Discord back in the day, and definitely have some interesting aspects to him. We want to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope everyone's having a great day so far. We're popping up here again. We're gonna take a long here and see what happens. I'm a tick or two late. Software. I need a better setup so I can get to my software easier too. Let's see. Candle started 40, 27, 25. Only a tick late. That's not bad at all. Anyway, do you want to thank everyone for joining me? I appreciate you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, feel free to say hello in chat, ask questions. Most comments are welcome. Hanging here on my entry point. Not really liking this. I think this might be a bad entry for me here. But we shall see. Follow the plan, enter where I was supposed to. Looks like this move might have petered out to the upside. Two straight dips. Down a point. Let's see. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here. We'll see. Letting it work. We get a little bounce. Oh, that's a nice bounce. That's a pretty bounce. Back up to only down 2 ticks. See if it can go all the way. Back to entry. We are squeezing. Those Bollingers are squeezing. Back to my entry. Market's not moving fast at all. As I say that, it drops down 3 ticks real quick. And back to my entry. Did touch that third band. Good morning, Matt. How is Matt doing today? Yeah, if you're not in the, the mental frame of mind, that's probably a good idea, Matt. There you go, trying to move up. I moved my stop up by 2 ticks. Basically down to those last wicks. I'm looking at this. I see we topped at 40.2875. We're sitting at 40.28 right now. And I don't like that. Ouch. I really didn't like that. I should have got out. I'm out now. Ouch. So I took the loss there. I took a point loss. Why didn't I like that, and why should I have reacted faster? I did not like that we hit these bands here, and I quickly seen it. Once it got below there, I should have taken it off the table. So took the loss there. Still up. 37 minus 8, $29. So I took about I took a $50 loss. No, $25. Done 3 trades. And watch it bounce back up. This is all choppy, so we'll probably stay out until after 8:30. Kept the loss small though. So my entry was 40.27 half. How low did we get? 40.26. So technically it would not have knocked me out. So maybe I might have jumped out too soon. We'll see. Screaming for me to take that short there, but I'm not going to. But I do hate when it screams. Oh yeah, I forgot about Ultra Bond. It's moving downwards. Bearish engulfing on the hourly. Wheat still heading down. Gold. Yeah, I'll have to check that out later today. Ooh, there was a move in the Ultra Bond. I told you it was screaming at me to take it short. Nice. Big pop. Wow, big pop. Up 2 points. So I would have got stopped out no matter what. So I did save myself a point and stop. Nice job, PJ. See, it's struggling to get above this level. Up here, this 40.28. It's back up there. Let's see if it gets through. Remember, we do have some news popping here in a couple minutes. Again, 40.28 half. Failed. Failure. It's a failure, I say. We're just kind of bobbing. Let's see what the news brings us. Canadian GDP. How much maple syrup have they sold? Is it GDP? Canadian something. Yeah, GDP. That was right. Morning, Jay. Popping right back down. Everybody look what's going around. Whoa! Okay, I did not expect that from that news. Holy Hannah. Up 13 points. I think it hit like the 8th standard deviation there. Wow. Guess this line can go away. It's just Canadian GDP month over month 0.1. Forecast was 0.1. U.S. employment cost 1%. Forecast was 1.1. I don't know why it reacted like that. But holy wow. Awesome, Jessica. Congratulations. That's wonderful. I never expected that news to cause that reaction. And look at it. It's still going. We're at new high. No, not quite. Close to new high day. So watch that. 40.41 is the resistance. And then 40.43, 40.44 is high. So I think it's going to come back down now. This would have been a great reversal play. Don't. Yeah, playing news is not smart, PJ. Playing news is not smart. Ask me how I know. Yeah, it'll shoot right through your stops. But it's like the. It didn't quite hit the 6th standard deviation, but it got darn close. Pull back now some. Good morning, Glitch. Yeah, if you reacted fast enough, it would be smart to short the next candle. But it's continuing to rise up now. So this is yeah, I'm just surprised at the size of this move. And coming back down, so it is pushing down. Oh, wow. I did not expect to see a 12-point candle there. NQ, a 48-point candle. Ultra Bond also liked it with a 12-tick candle plus a big wick. Copper liked it. Dow liked it. Natural gas just couldn't care less. Bitcoin liked it too. Shot up above 23,000 for about 2.5 seconds. Yeah, so there, it's continuing to fade down. So yeah, PJ, you're right that oftentimes impulse candles like that, they are good to fade. And you can see this, it's come down from its very high. It hit 40, 40, 75, dropped all the way down to 40, 32. So that was like an 8-point range candle. Yep. News giveth and news taketh away. By the way, good job picking up on that, PJ, about good idea to short. Well, PJ, I used to play news where before a news report, and it wouldn't have been this type of news report, but before a news report, I would set an order 10 points above and 10 points below the price action, and then hope that it will go one way and pop and grab it. And then something scary happened. I couldn't get out of a trade. It filled my order, and I ended up being up like $5,000, but it was on an evaluation that had a consistency rule, and I couldn't make more than 1,290 in a day, or else my profit target would go way up. So I had to purposely lose 4,800 or something like that, $4,000. But the reason it scared me is because I couldn't get out of the trade. I kept hitting close, 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 and it just wouldn't do it. And it scared me in the fact that if that trade had been going against me, I also wouldn't have been able to get out of that. Hey, have fees? And we see a bounce here. This would have been a great bounce play off that EMA. That was a good candle. I didn't realize I was still showing my ninja chart. Sorry about that, guys. There you go. And now we're back above that spike. Again, we're at resistance though. If we turn back time, you see, look at this. We hit 40, 41 half, 40, 41 half, 40, 41 half. So we're double topping, and I'm still popping. Dre brought some from the city of Compton. Sorry. Let's see if it can break resistance. High of day 40.44. So we're watching and waiting. No opportunities here for me. This would have been a great opportunity, and I wish I had taken that. Although it would have been kind of scary because it did dip almost 2 full points. Our ATR is up over 3 now. See these big wicks, so even though it's rising up, it's not giving me confidence. Yep, just hit 40.44, so now it's double top high a day. Yeah, that's why I don't like to play reversals, PJ. I mean, they're tough to play. Very tough. I do like this big wick, little body. UBs are continuing to rise up as well. I guess I'm just surprised at that reaction. Morning Gardener. I'm here saying, well, I don't think this is going to be a high impact news report. Then whoosh, kabloomy. I actually did make that sound. I don't know if you heard it. Kabloomy. Sometimes kabloomies are just going to kabloom. Morning, scriptwriter. Good to see you. And pulling back again from that. You can see the big wick, the double top at high a day, pulling back down to 40.35. What, JC? You want more than one kabloomy in one day? And we're down to the EMA, so we did fall. We fell 10 points. Up, down, up, down. Could not get above high a day. bounce here. Taking the long. Get a long little doggy. See what we get here. It might be coming right back down. Let's see. No, there we go. There we go. There we go. Not going like I like though. Ah, back under my entry. There we go. Target hit. There's a winner. Give that candle a purple line. Oops, I didn't show my chart. Sorry, guys. Having to hit that button sucks. Anyway, you can see I was in at 40.37.75, out at 40.39.75. I gotta come up with a hotkey for that, so maybe I don't have to try and hit the little icon to show the chart. So that's a winner. There we go. And now I go do some math to figure out what I'm up on the day. There we go. Math. 137 minus 20. All right. 26. No. Give me a second. 9 minus 93. 16. Okay, so we're up 121 after commissions. So much easier when I don't figure in commissions. And look at that. I traded my plan and it worked. Good morning, John. Good morning, Freighter. Sorry, wasn't trying to ignore you. I was just dealing with that trade. Morning, Ace. Everybody riding together? Do we have a train now? Good morning, Toby the Trader. Welcome. I don't recognize your name, so I'm going to assume you're new, or I'm going to assume I have early all set all timers. If you are new, welcome. Glad to see you. Thank you for joining the herd. Oh, well, okay. So we can rule out the early onset all timers, even if I can't say it. Good to be able to rule it out anyway. Long at the bottom of that green wick. Which green wick? This one? Now we're about 42 minutes from the bell. Here we go. It's trying to break through high day again, which is 40.44. It did that on the very first candle of the day last night. Now here again, about 10 minutes ago, and now here again. It's kind of ready to do battle in this area. Still not able to get above it. Still not able. So we're watching here. Here we go. It's trying again, folks. This is the drama. Can it break 40.44? Can it? Can it? Can it? Yeah, got 2 ticks above it. So I have a white line up there, and I don't know what that's from. Huh. So we're going to get rid of that white line since I don't know what it's from. Remember, folks, always clean up your... Oh, there's a break. There's the break, up to 40.46. So 40.44 finally broke. Not really much of a volume spike on that break. $40.48 half. New high a day. So obviously we could have got much more off this entry. Like 10 points, but I am doing a an eval with a constantly trailing drawdown. And I think they do their constantly trailing drawdown a little bit differently on Blue Sky, whereas Apex it's just constantly going. But on Blue Sky, I think it only figures after each trade. Yeah, Red Book is in 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna say this and then watch it like blow up 50 points. Red Book usually doesn't move the market. Good morning, RJ. Great a bit of a pullback. No idea why I said it in that accent. Back to that 40-44. Will it act as support? There's Red Book. And that's not the leading magazine for women. I'm at 2 wins, 2 small wins for $79. So got up to 40-48 quarter, back down to 40-43. Now looks like we're bouncing. There's a bullish engulfing. I like the Swedish chef. Is that? Oh. I'm not taking it. This does look like it wants to curl up, but I'm not going to take it. I should have taken it. Now, this was not a trigger candle, but you can see how this curved red, smaller red, small green led to bigger green. Justin Irving, good morning. And didn't go far, but it got to. Welcome to the herd, Justin. I don't recognize your name either, so every time I recognize a name, I worry that I might have early onset Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's. Back down to the EMA, the 20 EMA. That's not you, PJ. I've never met Mr. Beast. Another pop up. Would I want to know Mr. Beast? I don't know. He seems like a good guy. He's constantly giving away money. Nice pop. We are at the top of the hour. Totally lost track of time. Let's see what crude's doing. Energy's market opened. Up, crude dip. And I'm getting a warning that, as again, YouTube is not getting enough data. So let me guess. My upload speed's trash again. I hate this. It's happening every morning again lately. Hit the live button to get back to the live broadcast. Hopefully we'll recover here soon. That's I have a good upload and download speeds, so I'm not sure what's going on with YouTube. It's kind of hanging here at 40.43. Remember to hit the live button to get back to the live broadcast. We're getting a little bit of lag. And it's not my internet for once. Good. Good. And we're hanging here at 40.43. Awesome, Justin. Great job. Yep, Shirley from over and Shirley died yesterday. And that's okay, Mystery Life. Fuck you, bitch. 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 Bobby Hole? Oh, really? Everybody seems to be dying lately. I actually know that name. Oh, yeah. Seems like everyone's dying to leave the planet. Sorry, that was a horrible joke. I knew it as soon as it was coming out of my mouth. That was a horrible joke. So I apologized as soon as it came out of my mouth. So dipping down here a little bit. Some dipping dots. Wow, like 4 people left after that joke. I hope that wasn't coincident. I mean, I hope that was a coincidence. It was bad. I admit it. Anywho, we are just kind of, we've gotten a little bit slow. A little bit slow after that last volume spike. About 15 minutes ago. They have the best access to medical care. They are dropping down here to 40.42. Never know when freighter's gonna pop up. There's a dip as it's trying to come back up. Not sure I like this pop. Ooh, that's a bigger pop too. 1.75, 2 points. A 2 point pop and being beaten back down. Theoretically, that was a trigger candle, and theoretically, I probably should have taken it, but we'll see. Just felt like we were wanting to continue to come down, so I did not. We'll see. If I didn't take it, I'm gonna yell at myself. You know, if it ends up working. Hey, playa. So far, good idea for me not to take this. Let's see where it goes. It seems like it wants to come back down. Yeah, Steve Jobs died young. Steve Jobs? Excuse me 1 second. Back. So we did dip down, but we're kind of in a purgatory here. Irony there, RJ. Irony. Well, 10 minutes might have been a little excessive. Well, I'm going short. Hi, Zabak. Apple TV. Nice, RJ. Boom, target hit. There we go. Another win. Boom, boom, boom. And look at that move down. So in at 40.42 even, out at 40.40 even. And now we are up. Another add. I need someone to start doing math for me. 121. So we're up now 217 on the day. It does include $79 from last night. Thank you, Hafiz. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Dakota. So I just started this account yesterday, this Blue Sky account. First trade was yesterday morning, and the account's up $489 right now. Trade actually was not in my normal strategy because you see that the 100 EMA is still below the price action. So why did I go short? I saw this move up. I had a feeling we were just kind of grinding down. It tried to come back up. I did not take that long, and I saw it re-break, but it was right against those bands. Once I saw these two sideways green candles, I decided to get in short after the one red candle for this move down. Welcome back, Crypticon. And we are continuing to come down. So on the morning, 2 wins, 1 loss. Last night, 2 small wins. The loss this morning I kept small. I got out after it reversed by a point instead of taking the 2 full two. We had news. We had Canadian GDP, which I did not expect to cause this. So it was quite the reaction to like. Setting on 40.38 right now. Now we're consolidating around 40.38. Just 10 minutes till the bell. Popping back down. Down, 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 down. Can you pop down? Is that possible? Would that be like holding a jack in the box upside down? These are the things we think about here at MightyOxTrading. The hard-hitting discussion. Anywho, popping back up to 40.40. See what everything else is doing. Ultra Bond, couple of nice pullbacks there. Would have been playable. Crude oil, what's crude up to? Crude is bouncing up. It's on this hourly candle. It's up 36 ticks after a dip first. Copper running. Didn't know copper was a fitness buff. Gold. So what a bounce there on gold. Hassan, are you in on gold? I see it's bounced pretty good in the last, like, just over 2 hours. It's bounced 20 points. Ooh, look at that. That's a tempting candle there. You can see it wicked up to the EMA, and that's a big wick, little body, indicating it wants to come down. Not taking it, but is definitely tempting. It's like trying to lure me in. But it might have been a Black Widow trying to lure me in there as it pops back up by a point. went up there, and then this is a trigger candle back down, but it's a big one. I'm not going to take it 5 minutes before the bell, but let's see. That's why I don't like bigger trigger candles so far. No, nothing. Now this would be interesting to me if we weren't that close to the bell. If this gets beaten back down and gets back below, like right now, I would be ready to. If it, I would need it to get down one tick below, and then I would be interested. But right now, it's not doing that. Yep. See, down it goes. Boom. That I was gonna take that short. I really thought about it, and I should have. That would have been another win. Down to 40.36, down to the 100, right as we get toward the bell, about a minute and a half away. Yep, couple $100 winners. So we are a little less than a minute to the bell. So since last Thursday, I have on stream. I have taken 16 trades and won 13 of them. For slightly over $1,000 in gains. Ding 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 ding. Little pop and a little drop. and a little pop. So we're hanging around 40.38. We're up just less than a point on this opening candle. Seems a little bit stagnant. Oh, there we go. A little less stagnant. And a lot more action. Sorry. 4 points up. That was a trigger candle, and let's see, it went 2 points exactly. But looking like it's getting beaten down. We don't condone violence here on MightyOxTrading. Yep, there we go. So yeah, that would have worked as a trigger. I hardly ever take an opening candle trigger, but it's probably something I should study more. Oh, look at it getting beaten down now. Yep. By the way, when I'm going back and charting, if I don't mark them as they're happening, these are the types of candles that bug me. Because when I go back, I can't see whether or not that the bottom wick formed first or the top wick formed first. And like, if the bottom wick formed first, that would have stopped me out versus being a 2 point winner. I hate those those kinds of candles. Coming back down, sitting hitting hitting those Bollinger Bands. And there's another big pop. So we go to a 5 minutes or 5 minute opening candle here, which has about a minute 20 left. Is up 5.5. It's a bullish engulfing on the 5 minute chart. Or it was. Minute to go on the opening 5. Strong move up into those Bollingers, though. It's hitting that third band. Wow. Rocket ship all of a sudden up to 40, 45, 75. I'm a rocket man. Pulling back, though. Getting beaten back down. Now it's more wick than body. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at that. 5-point candle to the downside. But then the buyers come in. So we have a big fight here. It's a razzle dazzle. So overall, opening 5-minute candle ended up about 6 points, but it's given it all back. And down. Tickles the 100 EMA. And bounces there again. And here we come back up. Or trying to. Trying. Remember, we have news. I just remembered news. We have news coming out in 8 minutes. Less than 8 minutes. Yeah. I totally forgot about that there was news at 9 o'clock. Apparently it didn't affect too much. 9:45 U.S. Chicago PMI. And at 10 o'clock USCB consumer confidence. So 9:45 and 10 we have news. Yeah, I totally forgot about that news there. I don't know. Yeah, the market started moving down after a little pop right on the news. Popped up 2.5 and then fell, and that's shortly after that's where I got my short trade win. Here we come down again. Strong candle again down. Down to the 100 EMA, bouncing again. You can see we got down to 40.35 half here, which is about where we're at right now as well. Another bounce though, not 100. Popping right back. Nope, back down. Rejecting off that 20. There we go. There's a break. News in 5. And right back up. By the way, the interesting thing here is that I haven't taken any trades, but with this, this one would have been a trigger candle that would have worked. This was a trigger candle that would have worked. And now this was a trigger candle that would have worked. All for 2 points, but they all would have worked. It's just I'm not confident enough to take them in this choppy market. Or this choppy, I shouldn't say choppy market, but just this, it looks ugly. But all of these would have worked. This would be 6 points sitting here for me. Definitely a battleground. About a 9 point range between the top of that candle and these and where it's bottoming. News coming up in 2 minutes. Chicago PMI. Chicago, Chicago. Does looking like it wants to head up here, and it is. There's a big bounce off that EMA. Oh, there it just broke the high of that opening candle, or well, not opening candle, but the high since our open. 40, 48 half. Glovex high. It's trying. Let's see if news knocks it down any, or if it gives it a more boost, more rocket fuel. Rocket Man. Rocket Man. Minute away. So, pull it back. Big candles. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jumped over the candlestick. Boom, doom, doom, boom, 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 boom. Okay, there's news. Not really rocking our socks. Pulling down. Number hasn't come out yet, at least not on Financial Juice. Chicago PMI is not posted yet, at least not on Financial Juice. U.S. Chicago PMI 44.3. They expected 45.1, so that was a miss. So this would have been, well, hold on. It's only gone 2. I'm looking for 2.25. Has not done it yet. Giving it back. Struggling there. Right at that 44 mark, that was a struggle before. There it's coming back down. Not going to mark that candle either way yet because it did go 2, but didn't go more than 2, so may or may not have gotten that win. We'll just delete that line. Right back down. Our ATR is up to 4, so we actually should be going for 3 points here instead of 2, which would have worked there, would have worked there. Actually, that would have, well, maybe. Or bouncy. Trying to come back up. Wow, look at that wick. All the way back. There we go. There's still rising up. 40.47 half. So 40.48 half. Was a higher Globex. We're at 40.48 quarter, which is pretty darn close. Are we going to double top? Are we going to rip through? Are we going to sit here and talk about it? We have 10 minutes till the next news report, and that is considered a red folder news event. There's a break. Up to 40.49 half. Okay. Kind of pausing just a tad. None of our G's are here today. G-Man or Mr. G. Chris Moore still missing. I need someone to volunteer to take attendance. I love to keep track of who's here and who's not. Just out of curiosity, and because I don't like losing track of people. And pulling down. Bouncing on the EMA. So we hit 40.49.5. Bounced down to 40.43 that quick. See if it bounces or breaks. News in 7 minutes. Bounces. State of red candle. Oop, there we go. Bullish engulfing. Yep, right back down. Right back up. A very ugly chart. Not that we judge here at MightyOxTrading. We are all about chart body positivity. So but I will say that, all three of these would have been good trigger candles, and every time it dipped down, this would have been a trigger candle as well that worked. This would have worked, and now this little dip down below would have worked for 2 points as well. But now we're seeing this up, down, it tried again, and now it looks like it wants to try and come down. But we'll see. I'm not confident in that come down. Rising up again. So I am up today for the second straight day so far. We're up 217 on this blue sky trading eval. Up almost $500 in the 2 days I've been trading it. Blue sky and is a newer prop firm on the scene doing some exciting things. Like, I might actually chart out coffee this weekend when I have a little free time. And maybe next week I will, just for kicks and giggles, take a trade on coffee or cocoa. The only prop firm around to have the ICE exchange, which has the softs: coffee, cocoa, rice. I don't know why they call rice soft. If you ever landed on a whole bunch of kernels of rice, it's that fun. Frozen orange juice. Because a lot of people don't realize you can trade frozen orange juice. Now we came up, down, up, and we did not get a new high here. It failed. So now it's kind of pushed back down. Remember, we have another news event coming up here in 2 minutes. Oh yeah, Trading Places, right? I've never watched the movie, but I heard it's good. I think pork bellies is the other one people seem to like to joke about, trading pork bellies. So 1 minute till news. We'll see what news wants to do. Yeah, I'll have to try and find it and watch it one day, I guess. Hey, busy. How's it going? Here a bit later today. I have to mark you tardy. Down to the 100 here right before this news event. Snowing. Well, where are you at, busy? Okay, there's news. It's indecisive so far. Popping up, popping up. Dallas. So that's not a word you say often, is it, busy? Snow. Popping up, not a huge reaction here. Let's take a gander, shall we? USCB consumer confidence actual 107.1. Forecast is 109, so a little bit of a miss there. And we seem to be coming back down. And down we go. Down goes Frazier. And the ES with it. With him. but popping right back up. Wow, big pop. Once you pop, you can't stop. That was a strong candle up. 5 points. Back up to the EMA. That's technically a trigger candle, but I don't like it. Okay, and it's untriggering now. Untriggering. Think I created a word, folks. Taking this short. This might be a mistake. Let's see. By the time I find the software to show you, I'll be out of the trade. Yeah, I'm going to take the loss on this, I think. No, maybe not. There we go. Oh. It's bopping here. Yeah, it's going to knock me out right here on this bounce. I think. Maybe not. Maybe not. Taking it off the table there for a 1-point win. I didn't like the action, so I took it off, and we still got a win out of it. In at 40, 39, 25 out of 40, 38, 25. And there it goes. It did get down to 40, 37. So I would have got the 2 points if I had stayed in, but that's okay. I took the 1 point. Give me 1 second and put some groceries away. So run the winner there. We add to our total. It looks like I got out at the right time. I mean, I could have probably got the 2 points, but it's okay. We are now up to 287 minus 24. 287 minus 24. 263 on the morning. And good morning, Sid. So, decent win there. Not the best entry, and you can see quickly, boom, right back up. And that's actually a trigger candle up. And that was actually more my play. And it actually would have worked for 2 points. Still only one loss in the morning. Doing a nice little grind here. Now up to $535 total profit over 2 days on the Blue Sky eval. And this would have boomed. This would have definitely worked. So you can see this down, up, down, lower, higher, low, up, and up. Pulling back down off that wick. Wikipedia. How's everyone else doing today? How's our P&Ls looking? You don't have to share money. Just let us know if you're green or red today. If you want to share any money with me, I have no problems with that, though. Glad to hear you're green. It's not easy being green. Kermit the Frog says that. Ooh, big red. Big red down. Wow. 10-point candle. Holy Hannah. And her sisters. I wonder where that came from. Don't see any news that prompted that quick drop. Big bounce. Back up to that 100 EMA. You see this reversal candle here definitely was a reversal candle. Not sure that made any sense, but hey, I try. Struggling to get back above this 100 now. Kind of wicking on it. Back above and back above both. Just kind of hanging here in the EMA. We're rising back up. Yep, glitch. It is very choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. A lumberjack would love today. Or an axe murderer. By the way, this here would have been another trigger that would have worked. So you can see every trigger upwards would have worked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus this one here and this one here that wasn't technically a trigger. Well, actually, that was a trigger. So these all would have worked. Well, it's trying to get up here again. We're toward the top. 40.49 half was the high. It's trying once again, but it looks like again it's failing. It's a failure. Whoa, boom. Just got it to 40.49 3/4 again, and there is, nope, not 40.50 yet. Big wick, no body. It's trying though, still got 30 seconds. Nope. Sellers immediately knock it back down, swatting it away. There's a lot of booms going on. Don't be scared, people. And if you're behind it all, we did have a little bit of internet issues just a bit ago. Remember to hit that live button so you're back in the live broadcast and not stuck a couple minutes behind. There's another boom back up to 40.50. This is a new high by one whole tick. Yeah, hit like and live, like and live. Pull down. And up. Bitcoin having a good day. Checking out some of the other things right now. Copper having a good day. Pulling back a little bit. Ultra Bond heading down south. Dakota, you catching any of that move on the Ultra Bond? Agriculture popped at the open, now dropping. Except for corn. Corn's heading up nicely. Sorry to hear that, Dakota. There we go. Back up to 40.50. Let's see if it breaks. Nope, no break there. It's trying. It's trying. I think it can. 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 Nope, 40.50 still the high. Fortunately, it wasn't the little ES that could. And pulling back down, so got it to 40.50 even, and we pulled back by about 2.5, 3 points. See where we go from here. I think we're finally done with news for this morning. We are. Bouncing. Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. Ooh, now we boomed. 40.52 new high. Good, notice that big wick, no body there. Wicks can be your friends. but it immediately got, smacked back down. Smacked. Justin's adding. RJ said break earlier, break of 49 gets 54. Well, we got 52. The market is disappointing RJ. It's coming back down to 45. In the money. Justin's in the money. Or he's building an international time machine. Excellent job, Glitch. Dakota shorting the UB at 15 and it's down to 10, so 5 ticks in the profit. Might be running into a little resistance there. Got down to 08 earlier. Down to 09 now. Keep an eye on that as well. Another wick off the EMA there. Back up. Let's see if we get another boom to the upside. It's an upside boom. Let's see if Dakota's in at 15. He goes for 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. He's 1 tick from his target. And that 1 tick is going to be a bear. Ooh, actually, it's popping back up. I saw a 2 tick spread there on the bid and the ask, which is unusual. But there's 08 back on the bid. ES is kind of hemming around 40, 47. There's 07 on the bid, so this needs to hit a. Nope, didn't hit the bid. Let's try it again. There it is. There's his target. Dakota gets his man. The ES comes back down to the EMA. Great job, Dakota. I sometimes get more excited watching other people's trades than watching my own. I can't break the ZMA. It's trying. Now it did. So we're dipping. Let's see if it continues dipping or if it pops in. Pops in? What the heck is pops in? Anyway, it is just nearly 10:30, and we do have the potential, the classic 10:30 reversal. We're trying to pop back up here. I'm not sure if I can eat stop losses. Do they have carbs? I'm pretty much carb free. Good. Okay. Pop back up. This is technically the trigger candle. This one was not, unfortunately. Popping back up to 40.49 half. Market doesn't want to disappoint RJ, and RJ won at 54. Ooh, boom. There's 53 half. 53 three quarters. Yep, not a bad day so far, Iman. Not a bad day at all. So within a tick of RJ's 54, are you less disappointed now, RJ? So it's a nice little dip. Unfortunately, I mean, yes, this trigger candle would have worked. I just got to start taking it. Look at this. There is no blue on my chart today. No blue trigger candles on my chart. Blue means it would have been a losing. There we go. There's 54. There's 55. Market makes RJ a happy man. We haven't heard from Ace. We don't know whether Ace got his 2 points today or not. Or if he just got his pancakes. Or whatever he made for breakfast. He didn't even tell us what he was making for breakfast today. So let's look at the alloy chart. You see, this is the move up. This has been a good play off the alloy. So yesterday's high was 40.78. So see if we continue this rise. Or not. 40.55, pull back to 40.53. Yeah. We are up into those bands. The bands, they are waving. No. I haven't gotten that smart yet, Leonardo. I mean, I think if I was... Okay, first of all, I am trading two different evals. I'm trading the Blue Sky and I'm trading Apex. I mean, I think if I got like was really high up on one, I might switch to the other at some point. But, you know, I mean, obviously, like, I mean, I do have a daily loss on the Blue Sky. It's $1,000. I'm not gonna, if I would start taking 5 consecutive or 6 consecutive losses, I wouldn't tempt fate with the daily loss. back up. I thought about taking that long. I will say this. I don't know whether it's a temporary condition or if something's clicked, but I'm definitely reading the market a lot better. I'm still not taking things I should take, but there's like right here. I just looked at this and said, you know what, this is going to continue up, and I could have got 2 quick points out of that. And I'm seeing that more and more, not just with my trigger candles. I'm still trying to stick to just to my triggers, but there's other places I'm reading the market and reading the chart and correctly predicting what I think it's going to do. You know, obviously you can't predict the market. It's random, so on and so forth, but it's definitely, I'm just reading things a lot easier, cleaner, and quicker for whatever reason. Something's clicked in the last couple weeks. Now, whether it'll stay clicked, I don't know. Obviously, I've had good runs in the past. You know, when I first started Top Step, you know, a great run for like 2 weeks, and then I lost it. So I don't know, PJ. We might not come down. I mean, there are trend days where you keep expecting it to come down and it doesn't. And I've gotten in trouble in days like that, anticipating where the reversal is going to happen and taking multiple losses every time I see a red candle, thinking this is it. So I try not to think that way anymore, and I try to just play the trends. If Burl was here, he would be saying the trend is your friend. Can predict, but I mean you can always predict, but I will be wrong a lot if I tried to predict. The high day 40.55 3/4. So up, little curl, trying to continue up. It's kind of grinding against this band. A band doesn't like it when you grind against it. Other folks, if you enjoyed or enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button if you haven't yet. Streaming for another 20 plus minutes today. Hanging at 40.54. Kind of consolidating. Oh, we're going to have another move up. Touching this EMA. "20 minutes ago, my cat is bugging me to give him a back rub. He says hi. Ah, we're swirling again. What the heck is this recently? Bullish and golfing. Recovered again. Need one more like for 30. Anyone have one more like left in them? Remember to hit the live button. We did have some swirling again. Hoping that I'm relying on Wi-Fi. Hoping to maybe get someone to drill a hole for me so I can get hardwired in and see if that makes anything better. Kind of hemming and hawing here. Struggling to get back above 40.54. Or as we call it, RJ's number. Yep. Popping back up. High was 40.55.75. Just got within 2 ticks. There's back up the high. So it's kind of lost some steam here as we head into the 11 o'clock hour. So is the stream, thanks to whatever was causing my internet issues. Tomorrow is FOMC. I won't be doing the all-day live stream. I just can't right now. I got to do some work in the daytime so I can like actually pay bills. Yeah, the thing extraordinarily bad. I'll play with my Wi-Fi later. See, maybe something's going on there. Like I say, I want to. I need to get hardwired in. Fortunately, that means that I'm gonna have to drop an Ethernet cable from the router down to the basement, across the ceiling of the basement, and back up. New high day, 40.58. 40.60. Nope, 40.58. Sorry, got a little excited there. 40.59. Hit the third band. Have a great day, Glitch. See you tomorrow. 40.59.5 is our new high. And down. So we did have a volume spike there, and it just came right back down. Have a great day, JC. We'll see you tomorrow. Few more minutes here left on the stream, although the stream did come back. We dipped down here, so we got the 40.59.5, dipped to 40.52. Interesting bounce here. 7:30 a.m. Eastern time, I'm at. And down. So we might be starting to see a reversal here, maybe. Yep. We start to. Oh no! I just meant. Uh, I meant no. On FOMC days, I used to do an all-day stream. I used to stream from 7:30 a.m. until like 3 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. But I don't do that. I don't do that all-day stream for FOMC anymore. That's what I meant. Nice, Sid. That's a great trade. How far behind do you trail, Sid? Okay. Oop, pop back up. Up, pulling back. Let's see. That was technically a trigger candle on that last one. We'll see. There will be a day I just take every trigger. Today is not that day. And I think I made the right decision on this one. Coming back down. Beautiful day, Sid. That's wonderful. Hanging on the CMA. Right back up. But struggling to get above 40.54. The RJ number again. Ton of orders sitting on 40.55. We're just sitting here. Up, down, up, down. Left, right, A, B, start. Everything's kind of sideways. Very good, Jay. Very good. 30 extra lives in Contra. Whoa, look at that burst. Wow. Where'd that come from? Top of the hour burst there. Boom. Back up to 40.59.75. Hits that third band. Oh, but actually new high day by a tick. Wowzers. There's no news catalyst that I'm aware of. Let's go check that. Well, nothing that I see that caused that. Might that be the last bit of a rally before it falls? Maybe. Again, we had that nice wick down though. Boom. But that was a real quick. That was just a quick burst, even on that candle up. It's still trying to go. We'll stay here for a couple more minutes. That was just real quick. Whoosh. And there we are, 4061. So I gotta call it here, but this is a nice, interesting little rally. Remember our high of yesterday ended up being 4078. So I'll be interested to see if we continue to rally today before tomorrow's FOMC. Back down. Say they went 2 for 2 on those two small trades, $79 after commissions. Overall, since last Thursday, as we're gonna come in toward the end of this stream here, but overall since last Thursday, so the last 4 days, I have gone 13 out of 16 trades, and that's for about $1,100 in profit. This Blue Sky account, which I just started yesterday, is sitting up $535. So that is after commissions. So definitely some good trading the last few days. Oh, wow. And now it's fallen. So everyone, I do want to thank you for being here today. We're going to call it here. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. You're going to continue trading, try and stay green. We'll be back here tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. As usual, see what the market gives us in the hours before FOMC. Have a great day, everyone, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.